Hey techies, welcome back in Tech IVP channel. So guys, today we are going to discuss about one of the most important interview questions regarding automation framework. So the question is challenge you faced in the Cucumber automation. Once you are building any automation framework, so what kind of challenge you faced and how you have to be resolve this question. So most of the time this interview question asked by the manager as well as the in your first round, in the second round as well as in the HR round as well as this question is asked. So most of the time candidate goes to confuse how we have to be answer this question. So today we are going to explore and we are going to discuss this question how you have to be answer. Okay, so let's start. But guys, going to before next step, please like, share and subscribe this video to get more amazing stuff about the SDET role interview questions. So let's start. So the question is describe a complex feature or scenario you test with Cucumber and what challenge did you face and how did you overcome them. So the challenge you have faced, so you have to simply say that in my last organization the main challenge is that once we are onboarding a user for the financial application, so that time the onboarding process is very tough. In that case, in the onboarding process we have to verify the identity as well as we have to upload document and the OTP based authentication and the integration with third party services like for KYC verification. So this one is a really challenging process, but I have to tackle this situation using the 4 pointers. The first pointer is handling dynamic data and the test scenario. The challenge, each onboarding steps require different set of data input. Example, unique email ID, phone number and the government ID proof. Okay, in that case we have to generate dynamic data and the solution I was built it for that one. So in that case I have to use data table in Cucumber with the integrated fake API to generate random data but valid test data, ensuring unique entry for each test run. Means, so for that, for this scenario we have built a test data, dummy data. This is real-time data but generated with the fake API and this is a fake data. Okay, but it's a valid. Okay, the second thing is synchronous API response and third-party dependency. The challenge in this one, the application relies the third-party APIs for identify verification, which had varying response time and leading to flaky test. So in that case, what you have, I was done implement explicit wait in the Selenium and add retry logic for the API failure and mocked API response using a WireMock for a stable test execution. In that case, we have to be used. Simply say that you can say that in that case I have used explicit wait and the retry logic. If our API goes to fail, then I have to implement the retry logic. Then it will be re-executed the test case to overcome the flaky test. Okay. The next pointer, complex business rules and a conditional navigation. So the challenge in this one, the different user had different onboarding flow like citizen and a non-citizen. Okay, require conditional test execution. So in that case we have to use scenario outline with the example to cover different user type and applied tags like hook and the after to set up preconditions dynamically. Okay, the fourth pointer, test data management and execution CI/CD. So test execution and data management in the CI/CD, we have to implement parameterization test execution by storing test data in external JSON file and environment specific property, allowing seamless execution in the Jenkins CI/CD pipelines. Okay, so guys, I hope this question is really helpful for you to crack the interview. Guys, please like, share and subscribe this channel to get more amazing stuff about the SDET role interview questions. Thank you. Have a nice day.